Children, this is part 3 of the reproduction in animals series. Now this is of class 8th. Let's start with female reproductive system. The reproductive system of human females consists of ovaries, this means a pair of ovaries, and then oviduct or fallopian tubes, uterus and vagina. Let's see the structure of the female reproductive organ. Children, these two are the ovaries. So I said that human beings contain a pair of ovaries. Now, this muscular structure is called as uterus or womb. Inside the uterus, the zygote develops to form an individual. Then these tube-like structures are called as fallopian tube or oviduct, and this fallopian tube or oviduct connects the uterus with the funnel of fallopian tube. This funnel of fallopian tube is called as fimbriae. Then the lower portion of the uterus, this part is called as cervix, and the lowest part is called as vagina. Now children, let's see the function of each and every part of the female reproductive organ. Females have pair of ovaries and these are situated in the abdominal cavity. One ovum or egg is released every month by either of the two ovaries. Now let me explain this point to you. Children, if in January this ovary releases an egg, then in Feb this ovary will release the egg, not this one. So this happens alternately. So overall in a year, each ovary releases 6 eggs, which means overall 12 eggs are released in a year. Every month one egg from one of the ovary alternately are produced. Now children, let's see some more points. Functioning of the ovary and the female reproductive system is under the control of the hormones secreted by ovary, and these hormones are estrogen and progesterone. Children, here you can see that this is the female reproductive organ. Now let's see some more structures. Oviduct or fallopian tube. Now these are funnel shaped coiled muscular tubes which join the uterus and the ovaries. Here you can see that this fallopian tube joins the uterus and the ovaries. Then the ovum released through ovary is transported through fallopian tube. Children, here you can see that this one is the ovary and this is the ovum released. Now as the ovum or the egg is released from the ovary, this is catched up by the fimbriae or the funnel of the fallopian tube, and it passes through the fallopian tube and enters inside the uterus. So this is how the fallopian tube transfers the ovum to the uterus. So this is the passage of the ovum. Now children, the next structure is uterus. Uterus is a broad muscular pear-shaped chamber where fertilized ovum develops into a baby. Now here you can see that this one is uterus, and inside the uterus the fertilized egg, that is the zygote, develops and forms an individual. Children, vagina is a wide muscular structure which is connected with uterus and it opens outside the body of the female. Now this vagina receives the sperms from male for the fertilization of ova. Children, this was all about the structure of the female reproductive system. Thank you.